first half, the second half to try to get them on the counter, which on a few occasions we were able to get them create some decent chances to score better than the score. I think ask me, we had much of the scoring opportunity to score. And it's not a true reflection of the scoreline. Should have at least won this game.
Coach, we all have heard of Amoah. Did his injury have any effect in your game plan? Because we realize that he's one of the up and coming young players in Ghana right now. Did his injury affect your game plan?
Yes, of course, because he's an important player in our team, and we all know his contribution to our goal scoring department. So it will definitely have an impact in the team. But then we can't totally say what we can't totally say the degree of the injury. So we have to wait until the medical team is able to tell us what the extent is. But then if he's unable to play the next game, teams will miss him.
Coach, are you disappointed with the results?
Yes, I am. I've already said. Looking at the chances, the obvious goal scoring opportunities we should have won.
Yeah, Coach, people are saying that now pressure is on you because the biggest rivals, talking about Ghana, they won their match yesterday also. Now you are behind them. So if you fail to win, it means that, of course, the points accumulation will be in your favor, especially on you now.
We just have to take it day by day. Looking here, we've gotten a point. We have to focus on the next game. The next game is the most important game, and it's a league. We have more games to play in the second round. We have one more game to play in the first round. So we just have to focus on our next game. That's the most important.
Coach, what didn't go right in the second department for Poku? I think you were dominant in the first 45 minutes. What happened in the second half?
The second half, we were dominant. We created the chances. What went wrong was the fact that we couldn't put the ball at the back of the net.
Which I worked for Poku, 2 games to go collecting. How would you see his performance?
I'm proud of him. I mean, that is his work on the field. His job is to make sure that he puts the ball at the back of the net. And once he keeps scoring, he will gain the confidence. His colleagues will also have confidence in him, and it will overall also affect team confidence. But we get to know that when he has the ball in the vital area, he can compete. I'm proud of him. He's been able to adapt quickly, and he's getting us the most. That's the reason why we brought him in. So, as a coach, as a technical staff, we are all proud of him, and I'm sure the colleagues are proud of him and happy for him.
Coach, many a times during the game, we saw your backroom staff complaining bitterly on officiating. How was officiating to you today?
It's not my job to comment on it. My job is to comment on that.
Coach, before, let me commend you for your first half. You did something I saw. You call Intimensa on the line. You introduce information to him that he should keep an eye on Nuruddin, who is on the man of the match today for me. And he did perfectly in the first half. But second half, I saw a little bit of tiredness. So Nuruddin came back and they eventually get the equalizer. How Kotoko is working on the transfers, because now Abet is also off. Transfers, Kotoko, we have heard about a lot of players coming in. Can you confirm 1 and 2? And about the update of Abet Amoah, do you have any information about Abet?
Yeah, I've already spoken about it. Probably we're not here. I said we have to wait for the medical team to tell us the extent of the injury. And then for the transfers, I mean, we are working on it. As and when they fall in, we'll let you know.
Okay.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?